Welcome to a quick training on Assurity's whole life product with accelerated underwriting. When we created this product, we wanted to do a couple of things. First, we wanted to make it a quick, easy experience for clients when they're applying for life insurance. We also wanted to show them the value of the life insurance policy beyond just the death benefit. With our whole life insurance product, we can go down to face amounts of $10,000 for all underwriting classes, so we can get a preferred plus down to $10,000. We do have an accelerated death benefit rider, known as a living benefit rider for chronic and terminal illness. We also added some short pay options on this product as well. We have a 10 pay, 20 pay, pay to 65, and pay for life. For the application process, we have a few different options. We can do a traditional paper application. We also have the ability to do an e-application through iPipeline. With that e-application, it does go through our accelerated underwriting process, which gives the possibility of instant approval. If you're familiar with our term product, it goes through the same process. Issue ages on this are 15 days up to age 69 for the 10 pay, 20 pay, and pay for life. As you can see there, 69 is now our traditional maximum issue age. We can usually go up to age 85, but because of COVID, we did drop that down to 69. Once COVID is cleared up, we do plan on going back up to age 85. And then for pay to 65, it goes from 15 days to age 54. With the accelerated underwriting on this product, we go up to $300,000 for ages 0 to 17, up to $200,000 for 18 to 45, and up to $150,000 for clients 46 to 60. Then from 61 to 69, like I said before, it's traditionally 85 years old. We go up to $100,000. With that $100,000, which that means that there is actually no exam required for that. So one of the sales concepts that we always talk about here at Assurity is with you being able to go up to $100,000 without an exam. It's a great final expense alternative for clients that maybe want a little more life insurance than traditional final expense products give, because we can go up to $100,000 without an exam. Keep in mind, they do have to be pretty healthy to qualify for this on the non-medical basis, but it's a good option for them to be able to seek higher death benefit without having to do an exam. With our underwriting classes, we have the traditional underwriting classes at preferred plus, preferred, and standard. Then we have the preferred tobacco and standard tobacco. You can see there for clients 17 and younger, we do have a juvenile underwriting class as well. So for our accelerated underwriting, you can see here, like I said before, if you're familiar with our term accelerated underwriting, it works the same way. It uses real-time data to eliminate lab testing and exams for qualified applicants. Really, with this, it does help reduce the overall time of an application being in-house. And not only does it go through the accelerated underwriting process, you also have the ability, to get it submitted correctly, so you're not missing anything on that application, which is nice. So with the accelerated underwriting process, is really 3 simple steps with that. So first, you're going to complete the e-application. When you complete that e-application, it's very simple, traditional application. The only thing that's different is when you get to the underwriting or the health questions on the application, it will be interactive. So if they do answer yes to a question, it may populate additional questions. With that, once you complete those health questions on the application, it will run through our underwriting engine, and it will tell you that a decision has been made, approved, referred to an underwriter, or rejected. Once you complete that, you do have to finish completing the application where you get the payment information. You do have to get the client's signature at the end as well, either through face-to-face option or an email wrap signature option. Once you've completed that, once you send it into Assurity, we will send you an email saying if they were approved, what the final approval was, or if it was referred to an underwriter. We also have that accelerated death benefit rider. It is a 101G rider. It is for terminal illness and chronic illness. This is new to Assurity. Obviously, you will want to check state approvals for this, but it's approved in most states. But with the terminal illness, that's 12 months or less to live. We'll accelerate that death benefit. And then for the chronic illness, it's if you're not able to perform 2 of 6 ADLs for 90 consecutive days. With that, you do have the ability to accelerate the death benefit up to $500,000. So with that, chronic illness includes up to age 69 in table 4 as the issue age on that. And the max acceleration per year is going to be the IRS per diem which changes every year, but per year, that's roughly $130,000 a year. Obviously, you want to confirm that with the IRS per diem, but that's what it's going to be per year. With this, it does not require them to be chronically ill. As long as they are not able to perform that for 90 days is when this will accelerate. We also have 9 optional riders with the Assurity Whole Life product. The first one I'm going to cover is the critical illness rider. That will pay out a lump sum benefit upon diagnosis of a critical illness that we have listed on that rider. Very nice rider to have to help cover. Not only do we have that chronic illness benefit with this, but adding that critical really covers a lot of the worries that clients have. We also have that guarantee insurability rider, which is very popular on juvenile whole life policies. With that rider, you can increase the death benefit up to 5 times, and it just has to be 2 years between each option. The nice thing about this rider is that there just has to be in force for 2 years for you to be able to increase the death benefit. A lot of policies out there do require a certain age to be met before that rider can be available to use. With ours, it just has to be in force for 2 years. We also have that level term rider, which is a way to increase that death benefit at a lower cost, or give a higher death benefit at a lower cost with that level term. And it is convertible over to the whole life. Then we also have payer benefit rider, which goes along nice with that guarantee insurability rider on juvenile policies. What it is, it will actually, for the payer of the policy, if they become disabled or die, Assurity will pick up the premiums of the policy until the child turns 26 years old. We also have those traditional paid up addition riders for periodic and single, which helps increase that cash value on the policies that really help grow that cash value. We have some great consumer brochures as well at Assurity that we have available to you on our website, or you can obviously call a sales rep and they can get that information out to you as well. And we also have a great podcast that you can listen to on the AssureLink website. But if you do have additional questions, feel free to reach out to your sales rep here at Assurity. Have a great day.